is a title used to designate supreme rulers. It is known as to be equivalent to king.
Yo, WinCrease Team, what's going on? It is January 22nd, 2021, and the market is officially closed. Looking at things right now, the chart in front of you is SPX. That is the S&P 500 index. So, continue on from what we were at last week. I was looking for the market to kind of continue to stall, and it didn't really do that. It kind of moved a little higher. It did the grind higher. So if you recall from October, where I was looking at things to eventually make its way up to 3,800, I was saying that it would grind higher, and so far it is doing just that. So if we take a look at the chart now, we see all the levels that we have put in place, and we see our 20-day moving average. Every time it's made it there, it's made a bounce. So made a bounce there, made a bounce there. This is the one from last week when we were looking at it, and now it pushed to a new high. So the high is 38.6145, and today we closed at 38.4147. So that's pretty close, and as I've referenced before, a close towards the high is usually a continuation signal. So what I'm looking for next week is for the market to continue. So that is my outlook for the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell, ticker IWM. I have not updated the levels on here, but I will. We can do so live, as a matter of fact. So let's go down here, put our levels, and start to look at this. All right, so we see here's the first level where we had some hesitation. The next level is going to be here, and that's there. First level. Next level is here where we made this high. There's another, and here's the next level where we had some hesitation. There we go. So there are our new levels, and what I'm looking for is for this to make a push towards 220. So I'm looking for next week to potentially move higher, and that is my analysis for this week. Don't forget, go to wincrease.com, and we have my brand new podcast, Stocks and Bars. You can go ahead and check that out. Also, marathonmoneyplus.com is out. Make sure you check out the podcast every single week. Sign up, and every single week I do this analysis. Make sure that if you enjoy what you heard, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that good stuff, and follow me on any social media. That's going to be at WinCrease Team. All right, so y'all enjoy yourself this weekend, and we'll catch you next week. All right, peace.